Let's create our first Google Analytics dashboard. So John, our hypothetical manager, is back in the office again today. He loves his new custom report, but this time he wants a custom dashboard to look at a few different things. First, he wants to see revenue. Next, he wants to see the top products which are selling. And last, he wants to look at the top marketing mediums which drive revenue. So what we see on screen is what we're going to end up with. Now let's go ahead and build it. So to create the dashboard, we're going to go left nav, dashboards, and new dashboard. For this example, we're going to start with a blank canvas, and I think we'll just call this report John's dashboard. Now to create a dashboard, we're going to go through the same set of steps. First, we're going to plan the dashboard. We'll do the basic setup. We're going to do widget configuration. We'll test our dashboard, and then we'll figure out how we want to share it with John. So first, let's go through the planning phase. John has informed us that he wants to see a dashboard which contains revenue, top selling products, and the top marketing mediums. The dashboard widgets we need are revenue, products, and mediums. That's it. Let's start building it. So let's begin our first with revenue. So at the top, we can give our widget a name. We'll call this one revenue. It's a very basic widget, so we're going to use the basic widget, and we're going to pull in the metric revenue. And again, simply by typing, we can filter the metrics which appear here. It's important to note that we could add a filter of some sort, and we could also link this widget to a specific report, but for now we're not going to do that. So we'll go ahead and hit save, and already we can see our dashboard is coming to life with the revenue widget. Let's go ahead and add another widget by clicking the Add Widget button at the top of the dashboard. And this time around, we want to add a widget for the top selling products. So to do this, we want to show it in the table format. And you'll note that the fields below change as we do that. And then we could have to choose our dimensions and our metrics. So in this example, the dimension that John wanted to see was the product name. So we're going to go ahead and just type in product as our dimension. And then the metric he wanted to see was revenue. So again, we can just type in revenue. And for tables, we can choose the number of rows we're going to show. We'll go ahead and show 10, and we'll hit save. All right, so now we can see that our product revenue information is there. And the final widget that John wanted to see, he wanted a general breakdown of the different marketing mediums to determine where revenue was coming from. So again, we'll go to the top, we'll add widget. This time we'll show it in a pie chart, so it looks nice. The metric we're going to show in this case is revenue again. And the dimensions, this is how the pie chart is going to break up, is going to be the marketing medium. Few different options with pie charts, or how many slices we can show up to. So we'll go ahead and show as many as we can. Again, we could filter this potentially if we wanted to, but we're not going to do that right now. I'll hit save. And now we have our marketing dashboard ready for John. So we have revenue, revenue by medium, and product revenue. So quickly, we want to share this with John. We can share this in the same way we share other Google Analytics reports. We can either email it to John, so we could just put John's email address in and send it to him. And again, we can either do this one time or on a regular basis. In this example, we could send it to John once a week on Mondays. Some other options for sharing, of course, are just to export the dashboard as well. And now we've created a basic dashboard in Google Analytics.